Mason Next Day Park, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Washington, Gunston Hall, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Fort Hunt, National Harbor, Mason Next Day Park, and Alexandria. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All-Hazard Station KHV36, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Sterling.
How do you even fail that bad, 261? This thing here, the code of this is a required weekly test for 6 hours, bro. Come on. How is that even possible? How do you possibly screw up so bad that you... Oh my goodness, man. And this is what I have to deal with when it comes to weather radios, bro. You know what? I'm not even gonna even really try and deal with that. That's just... It just wants to be it. Also, what's cool is that the Rychi MD319 has EON detection, which I think is pretty cool because I don't hear it running and I never even touched it. So, yay. That's cool. And even automatically stopped its strobe. And 4 p.m. Okay. Well, until the next alert, I just got to get excited. Alright, so there, as you can see, special marine warning on KC-83. Okay, thankfully reception for KC-83 off the WR120 DSP with the copper antenna right here is not so bad right now. Let me just put this back in position over here. Here, so there's another word on KC-36, not KC-83. I can catch it here. There we go. Alright, until the next word, Frederick County WX7.
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, northwestern Calvert County in southern Maryland, east central Prince George's County in central Maryland, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Upper Marlboro to Rosaryville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadway Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Harwood, West River, Tracy's Landing, Lothian, Cheltenham, Friendship, Shadyside, Deal, Road River, Rosaryville, Markham, Galesville, Upper Marlborough, Andrews Air Force Base, Dunkirk, Owings, Clinton, Mayo, and Brandywine. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the National Weather Service Marine Forecast for the tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Smith Point.
Alright, so the next alert, Fletcher County WX. Yeah, wait, this just repeat itself. Alright. Until the next alert for Rychi County WX. Yay! Okay. Until the next alert, Rychi County WX.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central St. Mary's County in southern Maryland until 7:15 p.m. At 6:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lexington Park, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters reported up to quarter-size hail near Great Mills. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Pawtuxet River Naval Air Station, Town Creek, California, Lexington Park, and Drum Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All-Hazard Station KHB36, broadcasting from the National Weather Service Office and transmitting on a frequency of 1.
Yes. The no. We have the no WR100 activation again. Which kind of sucks, but it's okay. Alright, so the next alert, Frederick County WX signing out.